Strong storm. Yeah, it's the peak of the monsoon, so it's gonna come up extremely soon. I'm not calling this a PDS, a potentially dangerous situation, but
5 miles an hour in the evening, becoming northwest after midnight. 10%. Monday, partly sunny and hot. Highs 107 to 112.
oh yeah, by the way,
Northeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour in the morning, becoming
my SBR is extremely likely. I'm giving a 94% chance of an EAS alert coming up. I'm going to show you the clouds right now because they look pretty awesome.
Okay, Ryan!
Alert!
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning, which is in effect until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. An excessive heat warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Monday. Affected area, primarily the central and west portions of the greater Phoenix metropolitan area, including 012 Keat, Chandler, Avondale, Firebird Lake, Interstate 10. Timing, areas of dense blowing dust will overspread the area from south to north between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts to 40 miles an hour. Visibility as low as 1/4 mile or less. Impacts, suddenly reduced visibilities on roadways will create dangerous driving conditions. Multi-car pilloops are more likely during dust storm events. Precautionary preparedness actions. A dust storm warning is issued when winds have generated large areas of blowing dust or blowing sand that have substantially reduced visibilities to 1/4 mile or less, resulting in hazardous driving conditions in some areas. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero.
I was expecting an SBR. This is a dust storm warning.
Driving, as objects on new roadways will be seen
gonna be
only
worth
at close range. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the
I wanted to be a doubleheader. I wanted to get a severe thunderstorm warning. Darn it.
and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your foot off the brake pedal. Remember, pull aside, stay alive. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio EAS C94.
Fun.